Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. This is my August greenhouse tour. This is the second greenhouse tour I've ever done. As you can see, I've got lots of caterpillars, cabbage white caterpillars, right outside the greenhouse, on the nasturtiums. So here it is, my little jungle. Here's all the cucumbers. So many cucumbers right now. Oh, the little aubergines forming. I think that might be ready. It's tiny. This one. More aubergines down here, but they haven't got any on. Just rotted. We have Gardener's Delight tomatoes. Yellow tomatoes. Black tomatoes. They're gorgeous, them ones. I'm not sure what these ones were. Look how many there is. It's got like a runner on the end. The sucker. Eyes. So many. And there's these, and that one's ready. We can take it off the plant. Wow. It's like a black beefsteak tomato, like these ones here. And these are all my sweet peppers. Them long red sweet peppers that you get in the supermarket, and they're actually from seeds from a pepper plant from the supermarket, because they're my favourite pepper. Look how big that one is. They're all big. They just need to change colour now. That one. Oh, that's the biggest. And normal bell peppers. And in there, normal peppers. Nearly the same size as the supermarket. But these are my favourite. There's so many. See how big the plant is. There's my pineapple plant. All it was the end of a pineapple that I planted, and it grew a little runner out of the end. And this bit's so healthy. I'm just leaving that on to die off so I don't kill this.
Just loving it here in the greenhouse with its pepper friends. And on this side I thought I'd put a trellis up for the cucumber plant, which isn't doing that well. It's got like a massive cucumber that's probably gone to seed down there, and it's got some little ones up here, but it's not doing as well as these ones. I've had loads of these ones and it's just free plants. And these bottom bits don't look good, but everything else does. And it's also got my cucumber on. Cucamelons. Don't they look cute? They look so good and interesting to me, but I actually don't like them, and it's my second year growing them. But alright. Better in gin. These are definitely the best tomatoes to grow. Better than the yellow ones. So sweet. Best thing about summer picking tomatoes straight off the plant.